Hi everyone, are you ready to get started with RISC-V Ninja Kit? This is the future of RISC-V skilling. You will get a certificate once you finish the required module from ISA and MetaVail SI of the RISC-V Ninja certificate. These product and the kit contains RISC-V Aries V3 Vega board, NXP's card, breadboard, connecting wires, and the training modules. You get lifetime access for free: VLSI design flow, logic design. Each of these modules is ready to be used, and we still are in early bird offer, so you can get this kit for only 4,999 rupees. You can go through each of the modules: VLSI design flow, introduction to logic design, introduction to RISC-V, how the RISC-V architecture has evolved, what are the various RISC-V instructions. You learn about microprocessor, how this particular Vega processors and Aries board was developed. You learn the basics of embedded programming, C language, variables, everything you need to know about embedded C programming. Then you will learn basics of Arduino IDE platform. What is a RISC-V ecosystem? What are the origins? What is the history? What is its evolution? How is it going to go in future? And what is part of the kit is also NXP's RFC 522 module. So you understand that module, basics of SPI communication, advantages and disadvantages. And then you get started with Hello World Aries V3 Vega board. You get the complete pinout diagram of this, the complete Vega documentation. For each of the modules, you will get an ebook, so which you can refer to anytime to complete the projects in this. So then you will go into project of developing a smart card reader. Again, the ebook is there. Developing a buzzer. Basically, there is a video explaining for any of the concepts which are used for a particular module. We'll also cover that. For example, this uses PWM. RYG uses, there is an RYG ebook. Let's say there is a servo motor module. We'll first start with the fundamentals of servo module. Then how do you implement that on RISC-V Ninja Kit, and how do you control servo motors, understand PWM, and then there is an ebook which you can use for your reference. So then you'll go into developing joystick, LDR sensor, sound sensor, OLED display, infrared sensor, 3-axis accelerometer, vision based object tracker, flight control system. And once you finish the required modules, you can apply for RISC-V Ninja certification. You enter your name and claim your certificate, and which can be very useful for you to product design, get new jobs. You also get access to learners community. You can discuss your problems with us. You can type a comment here. Our instructor community of experts will get a notification and will answer your questions there. Thank you for purchasing this kit, and let's see what you can build with RISC-V.